A 14-year-old boy is now in custody in connection with the shooting death of a 9-year-old girl. The incident occurred in St. James, where a search is now on to recover the firearm. Dara Smith reports.
Grief in the Hendon Norwood community in St. James after 9-year-old Kayla Bailey was shot and killed at her home by a 14-year-old boy yesterday afternoon. What could have led to this killing? Investigators are now trying to put together the pieces. They now have in custody the teen who reportedly pulled the trigger. Residents are reporting that about 4 Friday afternoon, Kayla was at home when an explosion was heard. Residents reported seeing the teenager running from the house. Kayla was taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Her dad, Michael, was at work when he heard the news. He rushed to the hospital hoping for some good news, but that did not come. Kayla died while undergoing surgery.
Everywhere I go, I see the one daughter. Yet me, she has a younger girl. So she cling to me. And I see nobody, so I'm good for me. I pay high marks, me little daughter again.
Head of the St. James Police, Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbeth, says investigators have fast-tracked their probe into the incident. He said the teenager and other persons connected to the case will be interviewed. The police, however, have not yet seized the firearm used in the incident. SSP Nesbeth says the police believe persons within the area have taken possession of the gun, adding that operations will continue to retrieve it. He noted that the incident points to the proliferation of firearms in the country.
That era of Beverly is Norwood is no exception. I remember some months ago in the Norwood space, a 14-year-old in fact shot another with a weapon that also was killed, and that in that instance the firearm was also recovered. But we have issues with guns in St. James and certainly all over the island.
He's appealing to those with information on the location of illegal weapons to contact the police. Dara Smith, TVJ News.